Okay, so for people that are curious, you have the compression donut here with the intake cone off. Let's take some quick measurements so you kind of know. There we go, we're right at about 19 and a half, 19 and 3/4, almost 20. Overall size of the donut, let's see, we're getting be about 33, yeah, somewhere around there. So anyways, for gentlemen that were curious, it was attached to the ID with a few spot welds. You can see where the weld's been ground off. See the welds there on the circumference. So that works. Donut sits in here. You can see the cutouts for the bearing spider. And the screen has little tabs that it bolts to. So here's the intake screen. Just a piece of expanded sheet metal on a ring. If it wasn't bent, it'd go in there like that. So you can see the various holes that go in there. About the size of the intake cone. There. Right at 30 inches. Intake screen. It's at 19 and a half. Hopefully that kind of gives you a better overview of the lower projector intake compression donut, whatever you want to call it.